Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed El Assad. I'm currently a construction engineering and management major at Purdue University. I'm expected to graduate in May 2021. I'm from Jordan, but I wasn't born in Jordan. I was born in Angola, Africa, and I was literally born into a construction site. I was born into a construction site because my dad lived in a construction site and he owned the construction site. And because of that, my passion for construction was infused in me at a very young age. And to expand on my passion, I decided to do an internship last summer between the dates of June 2018 and August 2018, where I worked for a company called Agrobal. It is located in Angola and has been operating for more than 30 years. Agrobal's main goal is to improve the infrastructure and construction situation at Angola. As I saw firsthand, it is in desperate need of repair. I arrived in Angola not knowing what to expect. I was shown where I was going to stay, and I just wanted to work. I just wanted to to be involved. And I was told a lot of different projects were taking place, but the project that I was going to be working on was a project that was worth $2 million in contract value. And it's worth $2 million contract value because in Angola, it's $50 per square meter. And this is just a typical road in Angola, and this is Angola. I thought we were just going to jump into it and start with working on the potholes, but turns out there was work to do before. The team was given a very long document that to me at first just looked like complete nonsense. Turns out that paper had the potholes locations on a map, which was printed as well. These were done through programs like AutoCAD, Revit, and ArcMap. Then we had to locate the potholes on the map. After locating every single pothole, we got to the site. We got to the site and arrived at the first pothole. We first had to identify the area that was going to be removed and identify the base and the sub-base as well. After identifying the exact area, they would draw a geometric shape that was going to be cut out. But that wasn't a daily process. It took more than days. Then they would remove the top layer by taking it out using a JCB backhoe. The backhoe comes in to break and take the layer within the desired area, which the cutting saw already designed. After that, we would use an air compressor to clean all the dirt. Then they applied emulsion called MC30, which is basically like glue, which is used to help glue the asphalt. All of this was going on, and I didn't know if I was as involved as I wanted to be. I loved being on site and wished I could do more hands-on, but rather would watch for hours and hours. But there's nothing wrong with watching. It doesn't mean I wasn't learning and enjoying it. One thing I learned was projects took time, and if the project managers weren't on top of everything all the time, then chaos would occur. The best triumph for me was after portions of the work was done, since I didn't spend enough time to see the whole project through, but some portions were done and the road was opened. Kids around the neighborhood would bring their footballs and immediately, footballs or soccer balls, and immediately run to the street and start playing. And for me, that was so fun to see, as you can actually see how this field actually puts smiles on people's faces.